You know what most people get wrong about gardening? They think you need money, expensive pots, fancy soil, store-bought fertilizers. But here's the truth. Some of the best gardening hacks cost absolutely nothing. In fact, you're probably throwing most of them away every single day. Today, I'm showing you 20 zero-cost gardening hacks that will make your garden look better, grow faster, and save you money. And make sure you stick around, because number 10 is something most people completely overlook. Let's get into it! Let's start with the foundation. Your soil. Stop throwing away kitchen scraps. Fruit peels, vegetable scraps, eggshells, tea leaves. All of it can be turned into compost. And this isn't just good for plants. It's powerful. It improves soil structure, feeds beneficial microbes, and boosts plant growth naturally. Free fertilizer. Better soil. Stronger plants. Look around your kitchen. Those plastic bottles? They're planters. Cut them in half. Add soil. Plant herbs, flowers, even small vegetables. Hang them, stack them, line them up on a balcony. Instant vertical garden. No cost. No excuses. This is where things get interesting. You don't need seeds. You don't even need to buy new plants. Take a cutting from basil, mint, rose, or hibiscus. Put it in water. Wait. Roots form. Now you have a new plant. One plant becomes many. And this works faster than most people expect. Fresh roots, fresh growth. All from a single cutting. Fallen leaves aren't waste. They're protection. Spread them over your soil. They lock in moisture, keep roots cool, and slowly break down into nutrients. It's like giving your soil a natural blanket. Want your garden to look organized instantly? Use what you already have. Stones, broken bricks, sticks. Line your garden beds. Suddenly, everything looks intentional. Clean, structured, designed. You don't need fancy pots, buckets, mugs, old tins, storage boxes. Turn anything into a planter. Drill a few drainage holes. Fill with soil. Done. Rustic, creative, free. Here's a simple design trick. Tall plants go in the back. Medium in the middle. Short plants in the front. That's it. Your garden instantly looks more professional, more balanced, more intentional. This one's simple, but powerful. Remove dead leaves. Cut weak branches. Your plant stops wasting energy and starts growing stronger, healthier, cleaner. Timing matters. Water your plants early in the morning. Less evaporation, more absorption. Leaves stay healthy. Roots stay hydrated. And your plants thrive. This is the one most people miss. Take banana peels or compost. Soak them in water overnight. That water becomes liquid fertilizer. Pour it into your soil. Instant nutrient boost. Completely free. Don't throw away eggshells. Crush them. Mix them into your soil. They add calcium, prevent common plant problems, and improve root development. Running out of space? Go vertical. Use walls, railings, fences. Let plants climb. Suddenly, your space feels bigger, greener, alive. Those empty jars? They're perfect for growing roots. Fill them with water. Add plant cuttings. Watch roots develop in days. It's simple, and honestly, kind of addictive. Weeds are a problem. Cardboard is the solution. Lay it on the soil. Cover it with mulch. It blocks sunlight, stops weeds from growing, and slowly breaks down into soil. Every time you cut a fruit or vegetable, you're holding future plants tomatoes, peppers, pumpkins. Dry the seeds. Plant them later. Free plants. Every time. No space? No problem. Use ropes, hooks, or old containers. Hang your plants. Now you're growing food. In the air. Coffee grounds. Don't throw them away. Mix into soil. Better soil, healthier plants. No need to buy supports. Use sticks. Support your plants. Grow stronger. Collect rainwater. It's natural, chemical-free, completely free. Don't grow the same plant in the same spot. Rotate them. Healthier soil, fewer pests, stronger harvest. So here's the takeaway. You don't need money to build a beautiful garden. You just need to see things differently. What most people call waste is actually opportunity. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 of these hacks and try them today. If this helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And drop a comment, which one are you trying first? Now get out there and grow something amazing.